everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Gemini Jets 1-400 April releases. I cannot talk today, I'm sorry. Basically, I just got home from vacation. That's why I'm not used to talking. It's been a long day of driving. But I found that this had arrived, so there is only one model in here. You can probably already guess what it is by the size of the box. So without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and pop open the box and get straight into it. Alright, and it is open. On the top here we have a longer... There is actually a handwritten thing on here. Oh, that's really cool. So it just says, "Hi Boyd, thank you very much for being a customer with us, the DG Pilot team. I did forget to mention this is from DG Pilot. I did pre-order this. So that's really cool that they write that on there. That's awesome. So without any further ado, lots of packing peanuts in there, and here it is. The Gemini Jets 1-400 American Eagle CRJ 900. The model we thought we would never get is finally here. I honestly can't believe I actually got it. This is like absolutely insane that they actually had enough and I got one. I did only pre-order one, so I got my entire order's worth. So that is awesome. It looks amazing. So without any further ado, let's pop open the box and check out the model. There it is. Wow. That is beautiful. There it is. Alright, that looks amazing. So without any further ado, we are going to go ahead and take a closer look at it. So anyway, everyone, starting right here at the front, we have the cockpit windows, the nose cone, the little PSA titles there, the front landing gear, L1 door, One World titles further back, American Eagle titles looking very nice, all of the doors, the wings and winglets, as well as the two overwing exits. Side note, for some reason, you can probably see they're shiny. The inside of the winglet is not painted, although it really doesn't look as bad as I thought it would, so I'm not super mad about that. Back landing gear, a little closer together than they should be, but not too big of a deal. I might fix that, might not. Just gonna have to wait and see. Don't want to mess this up. We have the American flag there and the registration, which is November 584 November. Then we have the engine with a little caution label on it, looking very nice, and then the beautiful American Airlines logo. And with that, that does conclude our unboxing for today. If you did enjoy, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have time, leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts. This is an awesome model. It's going to make a great addition to all of my airports, mainly Lexington. That's the main reason I bought it. I've been wanting one of these for Lexington for a very long time, and really just any upgrade to my CRJ 200. So finally going to have something to use in place of that. It's amazing. So yeah, everyone, I hope you guys do have an absolutely incredible rest of your day. Let me know down below if you actually received yours, American Eagle CRJ 900. I really hope you guys did. So yeah, I will see you later. Bye.